And the idea is you're turning your body, your hands are like this, and you're turning your body like this. What you're doing is, initially when I said go bigger, you're kind of doing this, which is just too small a range of motion. You need a bigger range of motion, right? First, but second, what's happening is now you went back behind, but then as you're going to the front, you're ducking. So you're like doing a little matrix action. So remember to keep your spine, like from the tip of your head down to your sacrum, keep this all moving on the same rotational axis. No bending allowed. You can't do that. Don't bend. This. Just doing this rotation and getting back to the basics of this. Because you really want to be going around that same center point, and imagine that the pole dancer goes around and the pole stays in the same place. It doesn't reach like this. Even if it's straight, it doesn't reach. It rotates. It just rotates. If you really wanted to level it up for yourself, you would, you could do something like this on your head to practice. Just to remind yourself that you're only doing this. Which is easier said than done. It stays better also with a little bit more water in it too. The weight at the bottom helps. Just that visual might help you as well. Imagine, right, because you see how you're moving your head? Keep your head stationary. Yes, yes, yes. And rotate around the same point. The head is stationary. You're revolving your body on, I really think a pole dancer pole is a great way to think about it. You just move, but below the head in the spine. When you lose it, here's what I recommend you do. Go back to this. So I would recommend that you start with your poi in your hand in the proper grip, but grab your ball and hold the ball in your hand. Then hold your hands in the position you would for the poi lattes. Do 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just really try and focus on having that motion be from your neck to your sacrum, not involving your head, and keeping it nice and straight. 7, 8, 9, 10, and then from there, enter the hand into it. And then if you forget, or if you lose it, start back at the poi lattes to get good form again before you go into the one-handed drill. Remember, you're a wood board from your shoulders down to your hips, and the whole thing is moving together, but your head is like a wobble, one of those wobble heads. So it just stays there wobbling while your core is moving. And then when you're ready, let that hand loose and enter that hand into the drill with the poi, maintaining the same motion you were doing with the poi lattes drill.